Hi! In front of me is POCO X5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Connection and Sharing. After that, click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. When you're ready, click on the Back button. From here, select Add Service instead and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your service is ready, click on the Back button twice. Then just tap on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!